श्रीदेवी जी, हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आपने अपने बेटी को बॉलीवुड में लॉन्च किया है, क्या ये सच है?
This question I've answered again and again. I don't know. She's very young and I want her to study well. She's really doing very well on her studies. So let's say it's too early to talk about it.
But she is interested.
Not really.
मेरा आपसे सवाल है, अगर आपको किसी बड़ी जगह पे कोई चैलेंजिंग डांस करने का मौका मिले तो क्या वो आप करेंगी?
I wish I could. But this is not a easy. You have to be really professional for that, and I don't want to spoil my name doing this thing.
इसके बाद आपका प्रोजेक्ट क्या है जिस पे आप काम करेंगे?
Well, I'm still working on it, so very soon you will come to know.
उसके लिए हमें कितना इंतजार करना पड़ेगा?
I don't think so, but definitely not 15 years.